Hi. So I am currently trying to get ready for the day. So I'm gonna sit you there and wash up. Hey. So today is December 3rd. I didn't film any yesterday just because I went to work in the morning, was late. Went to work in the morning. After work, I went out with a friend from my old job, and we got dinner, and then we went grocery shopping, and then when I came home, I baked some cookies, watched some YouTube/Facebook, and passed out. I don't even remember what time it was when I passed out, but I woke up at like 5 o'clock not feeling well this morning, so I just went ahead and called into work. So that's where we are right now. It is it is 8:30, and I had some things that I want to get done today, but most importantly, I have to meet up with my friend to give her something to turn in for me. And then before then, because I'm not meeting her until like 11, but before then I want to clean up this room behind me. Not behind me, but in front of me, next door. I want to clean that out and vacuum that so that I can wash the carpet. That's another thing that I've been trying to get done since last month is, sorry, I'm distracted by the video. I was playing on my phone. Since I've moved into that house, I've had issues with the carpet, so I'm just washing the carpet, and I'll probably do that off and on throughout the winter until I get it to where it needs to be, just because I'm still, like I did the other room beside me, and I still get like dirt coming up, so hopefully do that until the water goes clear. I noticed a lot of difference since I have done that. I did a portion of the front room last month, like the little walkway area, and I noticed a difference in that room just by doing that. And since I've done this whole room beside me as well, I've noticed a difference in doing that. So I kind of sort of want to change rooms. I'm the only person that lives here. It's a 3-bedroom house, and I'm kind of interested in changing rooms. Not really, but we'll see. If not, then I want to make the other rooms functional. So if I am filming more videos, having a set area for that. Or if I'm crafting, have a set area for that as well. So my next thing would be today to clean that room. I'm also off tomorrow and Wednesday. but yeah. So we will see what today holds. Depending, I might try and do like a speed up kind of thing if I'm cleaning in the other room. Just probably because this clip is like a really decent clip, especially for an iPad, because that's what I'm filming on currently. But it's really decent clips. I think that I would be able to do it to the door, like clamp it to the door, and then possibly film in the room that I'll be working in. However, just like in here, it's only the singular light, so I'm not sure how that's gonna go. So that's the only hiccup, but I'll keep you posted and we'll film a little bit later. Bye. Hi. So we are now in my other room, one of my other rooms, other two rooms, and we are about to clean. I'll give you like a kind of quick overview of the room. It's attached to the door, so just bear with me. Yeah. So it's not too bad. Like I said, I just don't use this room aside from storage. So that's storage. But give me like 2 seconds. Okay, so I did half of this room essentially, but we will let this dry. And to give you a look, let me see if I can adjust it, kind of. Yeah, so you can see that like outline there all the way over to there. And we will let that dry. I'm gonna close the door to the room, let that dry, and then check and see what it looks like. Hashtag cleaning. Okay, so we are going to take a look at the floor. It was over here that I got. Hold on. It was like a wide-ish angle. There's still, that's this spot here that I gotta do over again, but I can't tell. Maybe a comparison later on might do it a little bit more justice. But yeah, got that done. I just got in. I had dinner with my friend. She made like a chicken, bell pepper, Philly cheesesteak kind of thing. I know I said I'm not eating a lot of meat, but, or a lot of flesh rather, but this was my first instance, and I don't really think I'll have too many more. I don't plan on eating out too much more. Yesterday when I did go out with her, I did have soda, and I bought a soda today at the dollar store, so I have to do better about that. But otherwise, today was a decent day. I'm not sure if I said it earlier, but I didn't go into work today, so I've just been around the house. I helped her out. I kind of sort of helped my other friend out after I met up with her. And so yeah, so I've just been at home. I took a nap, but today ends the third day, technically my second day of Vlogmas. Thanks for watching.